Today we're breaking down everything gym lovers should know about chicken. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sufia and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you, one tip at a time. If you're someone who hits the gym regularly, you've definitely heard this line before. Bro, eat chicken for gains. But what makes chicken so special for fitness? Is it really the ultimate muscle-building food, or are we just hyping it up? Today we're breaking down everything gym lovers should know about chicken, how it helps, when to eat it, and the best way to cook it for maximum results. Chicken is one of the most powerful protein sources for anyone who trains regularly. Just 100 grams of skinless chicken breast gives you around 30 grams of protein and very little fat, perfect for building lean muscle. Protein is essential because it helps repair muscle fibers that break during your workouts. Without enough protein, your muscles can't grow or recover properly, and chicken makes it easy to meet those daily protein needs without adding too many calories. Plus, it contains key nutrients like B vitamins, phosphorus, and selenium, which support energy production and recovery. So yes, chicken isn't just hype. It's truly a gym classic for a reason. Now, timing matters a lot. Here's how you should plan your chicken meals for the best fitness results. Before workout. Eating chicken about 2 to 3 hours before training gives your body a steady source of energy and amino acids. Pair it with complex carbs like brown rice or sweet potatoes for fuel. After workout. This is the most important meal. After a workout, your muscles need quick recovery nutrients. Eating chicken within 1 hour after training helps repair muscle damage and supports muscle growth. You can go for grilled chicken with vegetables or chicken with rice for a balanced recovery meal. Now here's where many gym lovers mess up. The cooking method. If you're deep frying your chicken or loading it with sauces and butter, you're adding unnecessary fats that slow down progress. Stick to grilled, baked, boiled, steamed, or air-fried chicken. These methods keep the protein intact and calories low. Also, always remove the skin. It may taste good, but it's packed with saturated fat. And try using natural seasonings like lemon, garlic, herbs, or black pepper to keep it tasty and healthy. Here's the deal. More isn't always better. For most gym goers, 100 to 200 grams of cooked chicken per meal is ideal, depending on your body weight and training intensity. If you eat too much protein without enough carbs or fats, it can affect your energy levels and digestion. Balance is the key. Chicken should be a part of your fitness diet, not the whole diet. So, to sum it up, chicken is one of the best foods for anyone serious about fitness. It helps you build muscle, recover faster, and stay lean. But only if you eat it the right way, grill it, portion it right, and pair it smartly, and your chicken meals will fuel your fitness journey perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency in the gym and discipline in the kitchen make the real difference.